Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing or opening, whatever you want to call it. They make Earfleek. This is just a monthly earring subscription. It does cost $3.49. If you would like to try it for yourself, I will leave the link down below. Normally your first month you get like half off, which will make it around $1.75. But you do get a cute pair of earrings. And it's not really like something that's going to break the bank. So I do like their new packaging. Make sure I keep that covered. So I do like how they do it now and got the little bubbles to protect them. I did get a pair broken in the bubble wrap like this once before. So here's our cards to give to someone to get them like probably a discount. Ooh, I like these. So here's the little bag. Normally I don't even like half the stuff I get, and I normally gift them to somebody or I just throw them in my jewelry box. But here's our little stickers. These are worth $15.99. Come on, focus. It ain't going to. And if you live in Canada, they are $20.98. In Europe, they are $14.99 in euros. Okay, so cute little bag. And here they are. Well, like the moon and the stars. And always, like, if you are subscribed or thinking about subscribing to Earfleek, while I'm getting these open, I will tell you, like, the best secret about Earfleek is they have an inventory. It says, like, play a game or something, but it's their inventory. And you go through there and you swipe which ones you like and which ones you don't. And you have a better chance of getting something that you actually like, which is always a plus because, come on, we don't want something we don't like. We don't want it, I don't know. I'd rather get something I do like than having something ugly and I'm never going to wear it. And always make sure you use alcohol and clean them off, because we don't want no ear infections. Okay, so here is the first one. And you should always check their inventory of like every 2 or 3 months to see what's new. So these are so cute. I think this is my favorite pair that I've got the whole time that I've been with Earfleek. Normally they're alright, but I think these are like my favorite pair. I did get some really good hoop ones when I first started. Well, I see the hole. There. So I think these are really cute. I love moon and stars and the sun. I love all that. When I was a teenager, that's what I had my room done in. So when I got married, I was like, you know, I just take it all with me and do my room like that. Now, since I'm a few years older, I do it different, but I always love the moon and star stuff. So these are like really cute earrings. And I don't know, with Earfleek, there's really not much to talk about. I will leave the link down below and not worry about these cards. I'll give these to someone, this one to someone in real life. So you get a free pair of earrings. But I will, like, here's the information if you want to use it. And it expires on 6/20. So you got June the 20th, it will expire. Just in case you want a free pair of earrings. includes free shipping. Now, that's what I like. I don't know how they do it. They send us for $3.49. They send us a pair of earrings in, like, 2 things. Okay. And don't forget the little drawstring baggie. What are they making? What are they getting these earrings for? Because, okay, they got the, which I already lost my drawstring bag. But, okay, so they're getting a nice envelope here. It's printed for them. Okay, then this is personally printed for them. And then you get the little drawstring bag and the earrings. So, I mean, how much is this? I mean, I don't see, are you making a profit? Is what I'm wondering. And now they're sending us cards to send out to people. They can't really be making much money. So I would think their overhead. They do have different subscriptions though. They do have one for $9.99 and you still get 1 pair of earrings. And I don't want that subscription for one reason. Because I have watched some unboxings. Like what I was saying, I got a nice pair of good hoops. And I think I got 2 pairs of, like, they dangly, but they hoop. 2 pairs of them, different styles, but they get them in the premium one for $10. I got them in the regular. They'd probably call these premiums too. You know, that's what you don't know. They could throw these in there, and I got mine for $3.50, and you might pay $10. Now, I don't get it, because they actually throw the same earrings in. I would think with a $9.99, when you should get 3 pairs of earrings. That's just what I think. But maybe that's how they're making their money. And they are using the same earrings. Because I know I got the same ones that other people paid $10 for. That's just why, my opinion, that I'm going to stay with the $3 one. Because you're getting the same earrings. And I'm not going to, like, give them $6.50 more for the same earrings. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.